Hey guys, it's me again, and I thought I would come back with a bang. And these are photos and videos and basically my recap experience of the election in May. I'd met Cardinal Prevost about a year before, and he's a very intelligent man. Loved the guy. Really, you don't know who's going to become the Pope, so if I knew that he was going to be the Pope, I would have asked to take a picture with him one on one, but I didn't know that, okay? So I was sad, but I was running for my life on that day because I wanted to be there for a papal election, once in a lifetime experience, and it normally takes me about an hour to get there. I got there in 30 minutes. And without further ado, you can see here, I basically was so lucky, got on like the last metro train thing. We were like packed in like sardines. It was a bunch of young people. I would say it was about like 60% young people. And all of Rome descended on the Vatican. And yeah, I'll stop talking now so you can listen, but it was cool. We'll see.